Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best car polish available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 is the 3D Speed All-in-One Polish and Wax. The HD Speed Polish and Wax comes in a single package, which makes it easy to use and saves time. Make sure the polish is clear so it can be used on any paint job. You can use a soft cloth, an applicator pad, or a buffing machine to get a shiny finish. The easy-to-use formula also makes sure that your car doesn't look blotchy after you polish it. It can also be used inside and outside, giving you a lot of time to work the polish into the paint. A great thing about the formula is that it can bring back the color, depth, and gloss of the surface, while also adding a durable and long-lasting wax. It has a mild smell and is easy to buff with a cloth or an orbital polisher because it's cream-like. This one has less abrasives than dedicated polishes, which makes it less effective at correcting the paint on your car. Pure car polish is better for that. Quickly protect the paint job and add shine to the surface. Moving up at number 2 is the Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. In fact, this polish is made by one of the best brands in car care. A pre-waxing glaze gives your car a deep shine and high gloss. This polish is made with conditioning oils that add depth to the color and shine. It works best on dark-colored cars. In this case, the abrasiveness is very low. It removes small swirls and towel marks from the paintwork without taking away too much. On all glossy paints, the near-universal recipe is safe to use. Putting on this product can be done in a number of ways, such as by hand or with a dual-action polisher. This polish is great for getting your paint ready for a wax or sealant. Because it has a very fine grit, it can be used more often than other polishes. A high gloss, wet look could be just what your dark-colored car needs. At number 3 on our list is the Chemical Guys Optical Grade Cutting Polish. The Chemical Guys Optical Grade Cutting Polish and V38 Final Polish is a great way to get some of the most popular standard car polish and cutting car polish in one product. It gives you great results. It's a powerful product that can get rid of the small scratches that show up on your car's paint. The ultrafine V36 cutting polish removes a wide range of blemishes from the paint, from moderate to heavy. After the car wash, the V38 Final Polish removes small scratches to make the surface look like it's mirror-like. There are no more scratches or holograms if you have the right product for your job. Unfortunately, this car polish set may not be very good at getting rid of deep scratches and deep paint cracks on your car. However, it may take some time and a lot of attention to get the results you want from the car polish. At number 4 is the Epic Elements Protect Ceramic Coating Wax Spray. Protect Ceramic Wax Spray is a 3-in-1 car polish that can do more than give your car's exterior a clean, crisp shine. It's made to protect your paint with ceramic coating, coat your paint with wax sealant, and clean it with waterless wash all at the same time. This car polish sprays on quickly, and you can wipe it off with ease. It also doesn't leave a sticky residue. It's going to leave behind a shiny finish that's good for any color of paint, along with your windows and trim, and your headlights. The spray has CO2 in it, which makes your car resistant to rain, sprinkler water, and other things that happen outside. It only takes one spray of this polish to get a mirror-like shine that looks great on any color of paint. It's also backed by an Epic guarantee, which means that if you're not happy, Epic Elements will do what they can to make it right. The 5th product on our list is the Carfidant Waterless Car Wash Wax and Polish. The Carfidant Waterless Car Wash Wax and Polish is a car polish that is very versatile and can give your car the shine you've been looking for. It's also very easy to use. In addition to being an easy and effective ceramic coating spray, it can also be used to wash your car without having to use any water. It will clean your car and give it a light polish every time you use it. CO2 sealant, which is specially made, creates a hydrophobic coating on your car's exterior. This keeps the paint, chrome, and even the windows from getting dirty. A microfiber towel will help you get a shiny finish that makes your car look like it's brand new. This car polish is high quality, but it doesn't have any smells or dyes that you don't need. Use it to keep your car looking clean and shiny. It will keep dirt, grime, and grease from getting stuck in your paint and keep your exterior looking smooth and reflective. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.